Michael Ullman, Product Specialist here at Shaler Acura. Today I would like to show you a very nice feature on how to adjust and save the height setting on a 2019 or newer Acura RDX and a 2022 or newer MDX. It's as easy as opening the tailgate. You can stop it at any point. You can adjust it manually. And there's many reasons why you might want to adjust the tailgate height. It could be for ease of reach. It could be because you have a power garage door and you can't open and close the garage door at the same time as the liftgate being up. But once you adjust it to the height level that you need, you use the button to press and hold. You wait for it to double beep, and now the height is saved. Thank you very much for watching and choosing Shaler Acura.